I cannot get enough for you. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Ant's Machines and Things. If you are new here and haven't been keeping up with the Vulcan rebuild / restoration, please go like and subscribe and check out all my other videos I got. This is part 5 of me doing some stuff to the Vulcan. Last time I came out here to go riding, it was a big old puddle of gas on the floor around the bike, so there was no ratting for me the other day. And I came to the conclusion that my carburetor needed a rebuild kit and my field valve needed a rebuild kit, because my field valve was constantly leaking down into the carburetor, and then the carburetor is overflowing with gas, and that's how I know the gasket is bad. So it's a win-win situation. I've had this out here for a couple of days now. You can see that this water bottle is completely full pretty much of gas, which let me know that that's been leaking for a couple of days now. So I know that that needs to be changed. See, the water bottle is the carburetor. So if the carburetor's hooked up, that's how much gas will be in the carburetor, and then my carburetor will be flooded, and then I will have gas everywhere. We do not want that at all. We don't want to lose that gas at all while just sitting, so we got to fix this, baby. I went up to Kawasaki this week, ordered a field valve rebuild kit from them. I went to Cycle Gear and I got the carburetor rebuild kit. So in today's video, baby, we're gonna be rebuilding this carb and rebuilding this field valve. So make sure you like and subscribe, baby. Let's get into the video.
Wherewithal to do it all again, or fucking do it all at all. So much I don't wanna go, but everybody is such a careful dance, and I am such a fuck. I thought 100
Looks beautiful. My GoPro died, so yeah, we're gonna be getting some video on the iPhone. I hope this looks a little bit clearer. We're gonna take all these jets out because they do look old compared to these new ones. We're gonna put all the new hardware in, and then we're gonna put the carburetor on the bike. New screws. The new screws come with washers, so I'm going to use those. We don't want to squish this washer, so we're not going to tighten it down crazy.
on my new chance. Hooked up, I got like 6 whips, I don't need the keys to the. I'm with the squad and we got a connection. Hit that boy, knock him out, after have no sex. Now your rent, I spend on cool kicks. Walking that bitch like who this? Got on the mic and I knew that I had you, so clueless. Hop on the stage and we rock at a show you.